Hello guys, this is Shubham from Geek to Gadget, and today I am going to do an unboxing video for you people for the Asus Zenfone 5. So let's just go through the box. The MRP quoted here is 10,499, but I got it from Flipkart for 9,999. This is the 8GB version. Here are some specifications of the device, like the battery, screen, 3G supported, Wi-Fi, headset, and this I cannot see. I'll just take this wrapping off and then I'll show you that. So this is a pretty minimalistic box, so without further ado I'll just jump into the unboxing video. Actually, I'm pretty excited to see this device because I have seen many of the Snapdragon or MediaTek devices, but this is a device which supports an Intel chipset. So I'm pretty excited to see this. I'll just break the seal. Sorry for the shaking of my camera. Yes. So here's just tab to pull out this whole thing, and here's the showstopper, the Asus Zenfone 5. Oh my god. It is a pretty big device, I should say that. Pretty big device. Okay, so let's keep it aside for the time being and let's check out the box contents. Here's just a warranty card, user manual, as you can see. Okay. Here's the wall adapter, which is Asus branded. Yes. Okay. Here are the in-ear style earphones. Yes. And lastly, the micro USB to USB cable. Okay, so let's just keep it aside for the time being and let's check out the device. Okay, so here's it. I got it in white color because I liked it. Okay. I'll just boot the device. It gave me a haptic feedback. So for the time being the device is booting, I'll give you hardware too. At the top there is a 3.5mm headphone jack, the secondary microphone for the noise cancellation, the power and lock and unlock key, volume rocker. At the bottom we have just a micro USB off and syncing jack. Here's the main microphone. Nothing on this but just an indent to open the back cover, an 8-megapixel camera, an LED flash, Asus branding, Intel Inside, Zenfone, and the big speaker. So the device has booted up. I'll just check, and okay, English India, English US, only Wi-Fi connection. Okay, so I'll just check mobile network and Wi-Fi. I'll just connect to my Wi-Fi. I'll just connect to my Wi-Fi and be back. Okay, so I'm back. I've connected to my Wi-Fi. Let's just go ahead, skip this step. Not now. I'll sign in later. Skip this. Okay. Inspire, I agree. Setup complete. Okay, so here's the Zen UI. Let's just go into the settings and check the Android version. Okay, so we have 4.3, but I do know that a 4.4.4 KitKat update has been pushed out for this Asus Zenfone 5. I'll just check out. Okay, yes it is. No, I'll do it later. Back. I'll just check the storage which I get. Here's the storage. So we get 4.83 GB available out of the 8 GB, but this device does support a microSD card up to 64 GBs. Okay, it's pretty fluid. This UI is pretty fluid, and the screen quality, I must say, is just gorgeous. I'll just check out the loudspeaker for you people. So just go into the settings. Okay, where's the ringtones? Phone ringtone. So, it's pretty okay, but it is less than the Moto G which I use, so there's a difference. Okay, so let's now check out the camera. Skip. No thanks. Let me pull this in front. Okay. The camera is pretty okay, not just spectacular, it's pretty okay. Just let me check the settings for the camera. Let me go to the settings. I'll just check out that how much it can record in videos. Shoot mode. Here's the video. Full HD. That's pretty interesting. Okay, so it can shoot videos in full HD. Okay, let's go back. Clear all. Okay, as I am connected to my Wi-Fi, so I'll just check out the speeds of this Wi-Fi and tell it to you. Okay, so firstly go to Google. Okay, so it's pretty fast. Now let's check out my blog, that is www.geek2gadget.blogspot.com. Oh, sorry, it's n.n. Okay, that was pretty fast. But the page is still loading. Okay, that's surprising. Okay, now it's loaded. Now let me check a heavy site, that is news.com. Okay, it's loading actually. The scrolling is, I must say that it is pretty smooth. It's just like butter. Okay, so I'll just request for a desktop site. Oh. I don't know what is happening, it's just rendering me to the mobile site. Oh no, it's rendering me to the mobile site. Okay, no matter. Let's check the dialer. One thing I note that these buttons are not backlit. These are just not backlit, so they will give you a problem when you are in dark. You will not be able to see them. Okay. I personally like this Zen UI very much. Because of the Zen UI, I bought this phone. Okay, so now let me check out a video on YouTube for you guys. Let's play this song just. Just skip this advertisement as soon as it reaches 3-second mark. Come on, my Wi-Fi. You cannot do this to me. Okay, skip. I'll just increase the volume to the max. And now let's check out this song. Okay, it's not loading. It's not okay. Finally, it has been loaded. The screen quality is just gorgeous. I'll just tell you, it is just gorgeous. It's not loading, so please let me out. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. I will come up with a full review of this phone. The videos which will be followed by this video will be the gaming review of this device, benchmarking video, review, final review, initial review. So this video if you find this information helpful, and please subscribe to my channel. I will find you in my next video, and please check out my blog, that is geek2gadget.blogspot.in. Thank you and peace out.